Hi, we're going to be talking about this product in front of you, the Core Audio Dual Smartphone Tripod today. I'm going to be unboxing it, putting it together, offering the price points, where to get it, where I got it, and also some thoughts about this product from me. Before I begin, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner. So I'm looking to build up my subscriber base. That'd be awesome. Also, if this video added value, definitely hit the like button. I appreciate it. And feel free to leave comments. I always look forward to reading comments and responding to comments. So let's get started. So again, this is from Core Audio. As you can see, it can hold two smartphones. It's a dual smartphone tripod. This is the front of it. There's the side of it. This is the back of it. And this is the other side of it. So let's go ahead and open this. Looks pretty awesome and looks very sturdy to me. So let's see if it is. So what you get inside is you're going to be getting everything that you see right here. And what are those pieces? So the first thing you get is you get your tripod. And the tripod automatically has the tripod head on it already. So it's already part of it. The uniqueness of this tripod as to other tripods is it's when you open the legs. Let's just say that if you put it down and you feel like, oh, it's kind of low, I want to make it taller, it allows you to expand it up to 2 inches. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see those 5 gauges right there? 5 different steps to expand it. So you just push each of the legs down. So it's already set the slots for you of how far it goes down, but there's 5 different levels and they all totals up to about 2 inches. Let's see how it looks like with all the legs down. The other thing is this tripod head that is already part of it, it actually tilts, pan and tilts. Basically, you just got to release this lever here. Once you release the pressure, it'll fall down. See, it allows you to pan and tilt. So that's something to think about when you get this product, or if you're deciding to get this product, of what you can do with the product regarding the tripod leg and tripod head. So the next item that you get is this carriage. So this is a carriage that's going to go on top of the tripod. Basically, it has screws that pop out on the left and the right side and on top. And the reason for that is because you're going to be putting in the phone holders either on either side, or you can put one on top, depending on your preference. So let's screw this in here. And while I'm screwing this, just to give you some thoughts about this product. So the price wise, it probably costs you probably like $8 to $10 outside for this item. Outside. You can probably get it at like your regular big lot stores for that price. I actually paid $4.99 for this, and I purchased it at a discount box store, kind of like a Ross. I'm pretty sure they probably have at Marshall's and TJ Maxx and Home Goods too. So just some thought. You also get an instruction booklet, which kind of details how to assemble this item. And then you get these phone clamps, I guess you can call them, or phone holders if you like. They can go on top, or they can go on the side. And you're probably wondering, why does this piece stick out? This piece basically is, once you have it clamped, you can pull this to be able to put or fit most smartphones up to 3.5 inch wide. So let's go ahead and screw this in. So when you screw this in, I mean, I'm sure everybody has their own preference. You can actually use this piece here to kind of screw it in, or you can just screw it in with this piece. Use this as the leverage piece, which I'll do right now. Just to. So I'm going to hold the piece inside here, this here. I'm going to hold it still, and I'm going to screw this in. There we go. And I'm going to take this one And I'm going to screw this on the other side. Hold this piece. There. Okay, so it's screwed in. So let's just see if it fits a typical Apple iPhone. So let's go over this one right here. This is kind of the old one that I have. So I'm going to be pulling this out and stick it in. And there you go. So while my iPhone's in there, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove this piece, and I want to put it on top just to give you the idea of how it looks like when you put the piece on top, so you can actually have a vertical viewing of your phone. I'm going to move this phone, pull this out. Now, one of the things to think about is why did they have made a product like this? I mean, it's kind of unique, right? Having two phone holders, being able to put two phones in there. One of the things I can see is that maybe it's for people who actually want to have invite their friends to also be doing a recording of something. So they want to have two phones, so that way, you know, both phones record it, and then a friend has a copy, and then the person who's with the friends also has a copy. I can see that happening. Another reason of having two is maybe it's just a different angle, right? Maybe somebody likes a vertical, somebody likes a horizontal. So if you're recording yourself, you may want to have both options, and you can choose the best option you like once the recording is completed. So let's go ahead and pull this. So let me lower this down actually. I'm going to lower it 2 inches lower from the tripod legs. Okay, so it's much lower now. There we go. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to take your phone, and then you're going to just stick it in there and pull the lever up, and you have your phone. Boom, right there. So all in all, setting up this product, it took probably like 4 to 5 minutes. It's very quick. It's pretty self-explanatory if you read the manual, or even look at the manual. So it's just a few steps, and you can set it up and you can start using it. Some of the details about this, you know, the specification is that it easily adjusts heights with extendable tripod legs, which I showed you earlier. It rotates and swivels at a multiple pivot points, kind of like a 360 degrees. So, you know, it can definitely, you know, you can swivel this like a pan and tilt. Also, it fits most smartphones up to 3.5 inches wide. So that's a great thing. And the thing is that it allows you to record vertically or horizontally. And the thing is, the catch is you can do it at the same time. So if you choose you want to record something and you want to choose what you want, which version, you have both versions by just doing one time, instead of having to do one version vertically, another version horizontally to decide. So that's one of the benefits about this. So it's kind of like a time saver, keeps it more efficient. All in all, would I get this product? I think I would get this product because of what I just mentioned, is that you can record it horizontally and vertically. So as I become recording more and more videos, that's something to really think about, right? Because, you know, you have different formats that fit for each of all these areas that you can, or ways that you can upload video. So being able to have both versions allows you to actually be able to, you know, span out where you post your videos. And, you know, different video upload areas require different, you know, scales. So whether it's vertical or horizontally. So that might be something that, you know, I see as kind of a benefit for me. So that's the reason why I would probably get something like this. And the price point is really good, especially if you get it from a discount box retailer. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. And the tripod legs extend up and down 2 inches. I mean, hey, that's pretty awesome. And it's pretty sturdy. I mean, I'm looking at it, it feels really sturdy. I mean, just the extension here, you just pull this plug. It's pretty easy to pull, and it's metal. This is the metal right here. This is metal right here. This is plastic. So all in all, I would definitely get this product for the price point. It's $5. I mean, you can't buy a Chipotle lunch for $5. So I mean, the price point itself is pretty good if you get it from a discount retailer. But if you're getting it from a regular place, it probably costs you about $8 to $10. Then, you know, that's something you may want to think about. But all in all, I would say that, yeah, I would definitely keep this item. hopefully this video helps you guys out and you guys are aware of this new product that's out there. I've never seen a lot of these. I mean, because these are very unique, but I feel just the availability of horizontal and vertical is something, an aspect that's available with just one recording. I think that's pretty awesome. So I make new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I upload them. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. I'm definitely trying to build up my subscriber base. And if I've added value to you with this video, please hit the like button. I appreciate it. And once again, do leave comments. I love to read comments and respond to comments. Till next time, take care and stay safe.